Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is Thursday, Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, April 19, and at
Today is a day in the month of April, but it's one day. So one day, only one day.
But anyway,
And what's the
so we are in Copenhagen right now, guys, and we are on our way to Riffen. 500 meters to the left. We are in our way to
turn left onto Bellins.
Google Map. So we are on our way to Riffen, guys, and it's been a long time. Alam nyo bang nagkasakit kami parehas? We had corona. I had it really bad, like in, you know, high fever for 3 days, ganyan. Tapos sobrang ubo, mga. But anyway, I survived. Martin also survived. And today,
turn left onto Bellins.
yeah, and today I'm feeling great. So yun nga, guys, we survived COVID. Talagang grabe. Para si Martin medyo okay lang siya, parang 1 day, 2 days lang ata siyang not feeling well. Hindi masyadong lagnat, ganyan. Ako yung parang nasobrahan talaga, pero good thing we're alive, we survived. It's nice. And now it's sunny sunshine, at dahil may time kami ngayon, so we've decided na pupunta kaming Riffen at kakain kami doon. Pero it's just a quick lunch kasi ano pa rin, inuubo-ubo pa rin kami, so parang alam nyo na. Pero wala na kasi dito sa Denmark, guys, you just need to isolate yourself for 4 days, tapos after nun, pag wala nang lagnat, pwede nang lumapas. So yeah, ganon. Ganda ng weather. It's like, who in the right mind have thought about, okay, I'm gonna put container.
Look at that place, Croaky Mouse. Look at it.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Take your order, sir, I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree.
Are you?
I'm not exempted for anything.
Which one is the best one, that one or the one in Hilol?
This one is better than
But that one is more expensive also, right?
Yeah.
Or same?
Expensive.
How much?
129.
Mine is 175.
49.
No, I saw it. It's 175.
175, yeah, very expensive.
I mean, this is not something you're gonna get full with, but you know, it's good.
That's why I could not get what I wanted. Because my wife has some very expensive taste.
But you know, I like it so much, and a bit later I'm gonna suffer. When my mom eats shrimps, right? I mean, when she was younger, she could eat whatever, and then now when she eats it, she will puke. Like literally will puke and will have a headache if it is like seafood. I mean, she can eat a fish, but all the shrimps and other things.
Shell.
And then she said, one time I tried it, just maybe, you know, I'm gonna be fine now. So she tried just one small piece of shrimp, and then after that she's been puking whole night and pain and everything. It's a fuck. It's not worth it.
That's also why Sina didn't eat it. It's not like she didn't want to eat. It's not worth the pain.
Yeah, you're gonna suffer for how many
So
days?
nothing you can eat in this life is worth that pain I got. So
Really?
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I'm sitting there at work and
But sometimes you just have to face it. I mean, past is past. You cannot keep avoiding something that's there. Charan! You know, it's actually really yummy. But what's lacking?
rice.
Rice. But it's okay.
Maybe you should have a bag of rice.
All the time?
Yeah, when you go.
Exactly.
And some soya vinegar. And like very small, portable.
No, I cannot eat soya anymore.
Is it also soya?
That's a problem for me. If I eat soya, right, my whole face will be, there will, not the whole face, but there will be portions that will be red and swollen. And then my body too will be so itchy.
See, Lisa, she also roughed up.
Huh?
She also got like red in the face.
But that's the issue with me, with the soya, and it's annoying because, you know, almost all our food in Filipino, it got soya, soya, soya.
Yeah.
But sometimes I do it because it's like, okay, if I'm not gonna go anywhere and I'm off from work, who cares about my face? It's gonna go back anyway to normal after maybe 2-3 days.
It lasts that long?
And it's so itchy. It's like, you know, I've seen in the YouTube, you have to like remove the intestine. It's like this one is just being put automatic, put flavor and then done. But because it's a hippie place, maybe they don't do those things. You just have to take care of yourself.
He also seemed a little angry, the guy.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Maybe because there's supposed to be 2 people working there and he's alone because somebody is sick.
He's the owner, that guy.
He's the owner? Yeah, I can tell. Did you say, hey, are you okay?
The Negro I brought this one, so he was so happy.
Really? A woman?
Man.
Maybe you're the first sale of the day.
I don't know.
It's like, I'm so confused. Should I eat this? It looks like the shit, but... Then you have salt.
There's chili if you want.
I'm done. There's no more, nothing to eat.
Oh, yeah.
No more.
That one's been on the table.
What about
That
that?
one is fresh. But it's only been here, that one. It's not like it's been on the floor.
Yeah, but then there's been a lot
Exactly.
of poop from the bird.
You want to have some of this? I'll just leave this one outside.
A sticky summer's day in Shepherdstown, an eagle in a thermal is a circling round like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped.
You want this?
Yeah, if you don't know.
I don't want. Gin and tonic. Hello guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Ngayon nasa sasakyan kami, medyo maingay. Yeah, it was a good lunch. Ano bang pinag-iisip ko? It was a good lunch. I had seafood plate. It was good. Wala nga lang rice, but then it's still okay. And now we are on our way home. It's been a long day. We're still catching our breath kasi nga kakasurvive na namin ng corona. So medyo mahirap pa rin huminga konti, but we're okay. Sun is up. See you later.
Lots of them. We can do that also.
But they did not plant it this year, right? It's just it grew.
The square.
This is really the city of bikes, ba? Bikes lining up. So much bikes, and so much bikes are also stolen every single day.